The first part, the introductions of physical educations. Today, the modern day physical education has emerged from a rich heritage of varied physical activities and other related programs. Through physical educations, or we can say that the aim of physical education is to enhance the life of the individual by helping them achieve cognitive, effective, and psychomotor objectives with the help of a quality physical education programs. मीन्स हम अगर एक अच्छा और बेहतर फिजिकल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं तो हम किसी भी इंडिविजुअल्स के लाइफ को, उसके मोटर डेवलपमेंट को बहुत अच्छी तरह से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. As we know that physical education is composed of two words. Physical means our body, and education means modification of behavior. It means education through the medium of physical activities. हम एजुकेशन थ्रू मीडियम ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी की जब हम बात करते हैं तो हम ये देखते हैं कि इफ़ द टीचर इज टीचिंग इन द क्लास in a primary sections and he or she is teaching the shape of triangle, and when he draw a shape of triangle at the blackboard or whiteboard, the students are know what is the shape of triangle. बच्चे वो ब्लैक बोर्ड पर देखकर ट्रायंगल का शेप को ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग देम इन द ग्राउंड, and if we divided the whole class in two or three groups, 7 to 9 students in each group, and the physical education teacher or PT teachers will give the command, when I blow the whistle, you have to stand in a form of triangle, or make a circle, or make a square, or make a rectangle. तो जब हम उन बच्चों को इस तरह का कोई कमांड देते हैं तो डेफिनेटली व्हेन the things that they learn in the classrooms and when they are ready to perform in the grounds, तो वो जो ट्रायंगल का जो शेप होता है, दे नो द आर्म्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल आर द स्ट्रेट, all the side of the square as equal, and the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. तो वो उसी फॉर्म में अपने आप को खड़े करते हैं and they know how to draw a triangle or rectangle or square. And physical education is modern physical education was started in 18th century in Germany, where physical education was an integral part of school curriculum. But in our country, we are very late, and after 1947, the situation of games and sports is not very good in our country. And after 1947, there are many changes done by the governments, and they have taken necessary actions to improve the physical education activities. Now, the definition of physical education, as Charles Butcher has said, the physical education is an integral part of total education process and has its aim the development of physical, mental, emotionally, and socially fit citizen through the medium of physical activity, which have been selected with a view to realize these outcomes. मीन्स जो फिजिकल एजुकेशन है ये हमारा जो टोटल एजुकेशन सिस्टम है इसका इंटीग्रल पार्ट है, और ये हम इसका एम जो है वो है कि हम किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को फिजिकली, मेंटली, इमोशनली एंड सोशली फिट सिटीजन्स क्रिएट करें, उनको फिट बनाएं थ्रू द मीडियम ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़. और Physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by the experience which can bring in motor activity. फिजिकल एजुकेशन जो है वो किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के अंदर का वो चेंज है जो हम उसके एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू हम देखते हैं, और वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसे आता है? थ्रू मोटर एक्टिविटीज। मोटर एक्टिविटीज क्या है? मोटर एक्टिविटीज इंक्लूड वॉकिंग, रनिंग, जॉगिंग, जंपिंग। और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनका मोटर डेवलपमेंट बहुत ही अच्छा होना चाहिए और वो बहुत फाइन मैनर में होना चाहिए। एंड मोटर डेवलपमेंट इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इन द टू कैटेगरी, फाइन मोटर डेवलपमेंट एंड ग्रॉस मोटर डेवलपमेंट। ये हम लोग आगे के चैप्टर्स में इसको डिस्कस करेंगे। नाउ द एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। The aim of physical education, which deals with big muscle activities and their related response, और जो फिजिकल एजुकेशन का जो मेन एम है दैट इज कॉल्ड द ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल और चाइल्ड। हम ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं। तो ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट क्या होता है? ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट मीन्स कि किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के अंदर उसका फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट हो, उसका मेंटल डेवलपमेंट हो, उसका सोशल डेवलपमेंट, उसका इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट, उसका स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट। तो द एम इज द अल्टीमेट ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल। हम ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ की बात करते हैं थ्रू फिजिकल एजुकेशन। नाउ द फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट मीन्स the physical development is the main objective of physical education. We have observed or we have experienced when we are performing any physical activities. What happens? It affects our different body parts. It increases our body temperature, our blood circulations. And we have seen the effect of our respiratory system, muscular system, digestive system. And what are the result? The result is in the development of size and shape of organs. तो क्या फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ और एक्सरसाइज करने से हमारे ऑर्गन्स इंक्रीज हो सकते हैं, हमारे लंग्स की कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज हो सकती है, हमारे हार्ट का साइज इंक्रीज हो सकता है? यस, इफ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग वाइगोरियस exercises or physical activities, then our heart sizes increase. And if when we compare it with the normal people's, our heart size will be surely bigger than that. Means the capacity of our heart is increased, the resting heartbeat is lower, and the per stroke volume of blood is increased. It also helps to make body healthy and strong. And if our body systems are fine and healthy, only then we shall be able to do our work efficiently and be safe from several diseases like blood pressures, hypertensions, back pain, and diabetes, obesity, and arthritis. Many more are there. We also say that running is a very good exercise. It burns calorie very fast. It increases the heart rate, which helps the blood to flow efficiently through the whole body. तो फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट्स, और हम ये भी कहते हैं कि हेल्दी माइंड लिव इन अ हेल्दी बॉडी। अगर हमारी बॉडी बहुत हेल्दी है, फिट है, फिजिकली फिट है, तो हमारा माइंड भी जो होगा वो फिजिकली फिट होगा। The next objective is mental developments. It is also a very important object. Some activities in physical educations which keep our brain alert and concentrate. And nowadays, physical education is not related to physical exercise only, but it also includes the rules of games, principal structure of body, personal cleanliness, etc. These physical activities sharpen the brain. By taking part in physical activities, a person learns to tackle various situations. During sports, many situations occur in which player take his or self decision. So the mental development and decrease the stress level. इसका रिजल्ट ये आता है कि हमारा मेंटल डेवलपमेंट बढ़ता है, तो जो स्ट्रेस लेवल है वो डिक्रीज होता है. अब मेंटल डेवलपमेंट फिजिकल एक्टिविटी से कैसे बढ़ेगा? कैसे? अगर हम फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं, डेली एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, हाफ एन आवर 40 मिनट्स, तो हाउ कैन इट इम्प्रूव आवर mental level? Students, we have seen in any game when the player is playing, suppose that you are playing a basketball, when you receive the ball, at the same time you have to decide what you have to do. Either you have to dribble the ball, either have you pass the ball to your teammates, or you're going to throw the ball towards the basket, or you have to take a decision very immediately. And if your decision is correct, this definitely your team will win. You have, we are watching cricket. Now the distance of cricket pitch is 21 yards, and the ball is coming near about 135 to 140 kilometer per kilometer. How much time the batsman did get to decide what to do, where the ball is coming, what he is going to do? Either he is going to defend the ball or make a shot or leave the ball. Within fraction of second, he have to take a decision. और अगर उसका डिसीजन सही रहा, टाइमिंग उसकी सही रही, तो डेफिनेटली ही विल स्कोर द रन, अदरवाइज he will be out. So the physical activities can develop our mental level. Third one is social development. The objective of physical education is related to the social skills, which are helpful in coordination. During a competitions, players of different regions come together on a single platform, so they learn cooperation, support, respect, good sportsmanship. Through these skills, players can make their nation healthy and strong. When we are going to play a match between two schools, we show the respect to the other schools, we show the culture of our schools, we meet the different types of students, we make a friends. And same way, when we are going to participate at the national levels from all over the country, all states are participating from east, west, north, and south. The peoples, those who are coming to participate, they are having a different culture and religious. We know each other's. We know how they live in the South India or how they live in the eastern part of our country, and we have to we are coordinating to each others, whether the different religions and different languages, we are coordinating each others, and we making a friends and showing a sportsmanships. So physical activities and the aim of physical education to develop the social part of also emotional development. The objective of physical education to make an individual emotionally develop through physical activities. How we can develop emotion through physical activity? You know that they all are having a different emotions. Sometimes we feel happiness, sometimes we feel jealous, hope, dis- despair, joy, fear, loneliness, etc. If we do not control these emotions, thus there will be no place for them in the society. For example, if we are playing a match, two teams are playing, one team should definitely win and one team has lost. The winning team will definitely cheers and the losing teams will feel sad. That times we have to control our emotions. And if we don't have a control in our emotions, we will not get a place in the society which can be harmful for them. So through physical education program, we develop these emotions and teach us to how to control them. A spiritual development. The objective of physical education for an individual is to reflect time to evaluate their experience to allow them to build a positive mindset and promote progress. Through physical education program, we develop the positive attitude in individuals. We have made a good physical education programs. Definitely we develop all these objectives and we make a good and physical fit citizen for our country. So students,